This is the result after using a simple yet easy homemade solution as part of regular care. I applied it for a couple of weeks. Here's exactly what I did and what changed. For our first ingredient, we're going to be using 1 onion bulb. Use a fresh, firm onion. No soft spots or mold. Start by peel off the outer skin from the onion. Start at the top and pull away the dry layers in large pieces. Choose clean, intact skins. Avoid any parts with dirt or decay. Once finished, set the skins aside for the next step. Cut the onion skins into small pieces. Use a knife or scissors and keep the size consistent so they break down evenly in water. Work on a clean surface. Remove any thick or damaged sections. Keep only the dry, clean pieces. Set them aside once done. Place all the cut onion skins into a clean jar. Use a dry container to avoid early contamination. For the next ingredient, use eggshells. Use clean, dry shells. Rinse off any residue and remove the inner membrane if possible. Next, crush the eggshells into small pieces. Use your hands or a simple tool to break them down evenly. Don't turn them into powder. Small fragments work better. Then add the crushed eggshells into the same jar with the onion pieces. Spread them evenly instead of dumping in one spot. Then slowly pour hot water into the jar. Add it in stages to avoid sudden temperature shock to the container. Once done, close the lid and let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Keep the jar at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. After 30 to 45 minutes, strain the mixture. Pour it through a fine strainer to remove all solids. Keep only the liquid. The solution should be clear, without any large particles. Then add a small amount of clean water to dilute the solution. Mix gently to keep it uniform. The goal is a light, diluted liquid, not a concentrated mix. Next, soak a clean tissue or soft cloth in the solution. Then wipe the orchid leaves thoroughly. Support each leaf from below, then wipe along the surface in one direction, from base to tip. Use light pressure. The goal is to clean the surface, not soak it. Cover both the top and underside of each leaf, as dust and residue build up on both sides. Re-wet the cloth as needed to keep it effective, and switch to a clean section if it becomes dirty. Avoid the crown and any tight leaf joints where water can collect. Do not leave standing moisture behind. The leaves should be clean, with only a thin film remaining. Then pour a portion of the solution into a clean spray bottle. Use a funnel if needed to avoid spills. Fill only part way, not to the top, so there's space for pressure to build. Then begin misting the plants lightly. Hold the spray bottle at a short distance and apply a fine, even mist across the leaves. Keep the coverage light. The surface should be slightly damp, not wet. Move steadily from one plant to the next to avoid over-application in one area. Focus on the leaf surfaces, including the underside, where buildup is common. Avoid spraying directly into the crown or letting liquid collect at the base of the leaves. Apply in a well-ventilated area and allow the plants to dry naturally after misting. Then use the remaining solution to water around the base of plants. Apply it slowly to the growing medium, not directly onto the leaves. Pour in stages so the medium absorbs it evenly, and stop once it is lightly moist, not saturated. Avoid pooling at the base or in the pot. Make sure there is proper drainage so excess liquid can flow out. Do not let the pot sit in standing water. After application, allow the medium to dry gradually under normal conditions. Finally, use a clean cloth or tissue to wipe the leaves again. Go over each leaf with light pressure to remove any excess moisture. The surface should feel slightly damp, not wet. Focus on areas where liquid may have collected, especially along the midrib and edges. Keep the crown and leaf joints dry. The goal is a thin, even layer of moisture, not standing water. One important point is the routine. This is not a daily treatment, and overuse will do more harm than good. Apply it at controlled intervals based on your environment, temperature, and airflow. In most setups, once every 1 to 2 weeks is enough. In higher humidity or low airflow, extend the interval to avoid buildup on the leaves and in the medium. Watch how the plant responds after each use. Look for stable leaves, no residue, and normal root behavior. If you notice a film on the leaves, reduced airflow, or any sign of stress, stop and rinse with clean water before continuing. After 5 weeks, the changes are visible. The leaves are firmer and more stable. The surface looks cleaner, with less dust and residue buildup. There is a slight improvement in color, more even green, less dullness. At the base, the roots show moderate activity. Some tips appear active and slightly extended. A few older roots remain unchanged, which is expected. Not all roots recover at the same rate. The overall structure of the plants is stable. Leaves are holding position better, with less drooping. No major signs of stress from the application. However, growth is not rapid. This is a gradual response, not a fast result. And there you have it, a full process and the results after 5 weeks. Keep your light, watering, and airflow consistent. That's what makes the difference over time. If this breakdown was useful, you can follow the channel for more tests and results like this. Until next time,